I think the most important thing for students to take away from an undergraduate education is the ability to think and question.
It's just really exciting that I get this experience just by taking this one class, you know? It's great.
Discovery and being a detective in the life sciences certainly has to be one of the most exhilarating things of science research.
Solving puzzles, it's the intellectual challenge of trying to understand how the world works.
The university and COLSA in particular have really important roles in terms of research and education for those changes, whether it's in technology or knowledge of our environment or just changing conditions like the price of energy is never going to be the same again.
The combination of biology and environment focused on agricultural practices and agricultural facilities is a very powerful combination, and I think in the college you see all of those different parts coming together.
I'm looking at the amount of dissolved nitrous oxide in different streams around the Lamprey River watershed.
My particular group is looking at the energy balance of the dairy farm.
One project that I've been working on is being able to differentiate cancer and non-cancer cells.
What they're trying to do is create knowledge, and they get engaged and excited about that right from the very beginning because they know they're part of not just the teaching and learning mission of the university, but the research mission, the discovery mission.
You know, at the Thompson School we get a real hands-on field approach to education. And it's important, I think, to carry that all throughout the college career.
You take what you learn in the lectures and you go ahead and you use it in lab. And perfect correlation. The program is cohesive and extraordinarily fun. I'm not sure if I mentioned that yet.
Interestingly, not many people around the country have investigated young adult health. So we began to collect the information from this class. We're on about 3,000 participants so far, looking at how they stack up. We have been communicating with other people on campus.
I really like the whole biochemical part of it, and then also learning about diabetes and heart disease and even cancers and nutrition is really interesting to me.
There are different levels, you know, from the molecular and the cellular down to the organismal here and into the whole systems approach, and we need all of it. That all informs the others, and I think students benefit from attending a university with programs like COLSA has that do all of that.
We have been able to assemble state-of-the-art equipment. We use cutting-edge techniques in all that we do. So students, of course, are exposed to that, and they then are also in the forefront of the field.
It's really sort of set the foundation for, you know, what I do now, how to approach scientific questions, what's your question, what do you want to answer, and how do you design an experiment or a study to answer that question.
The best part about COLSA, and me particularly environmental science, is the importance that it has, especially nowadays with climate change being so prevalent. Just the importance that it has not only to small ecosystems like the farm, but also to on the broader scale to the country and the world.
The land-grant university system is vitally important, and it's best that a university system experiment with different techniques so we can turn around and share the information that we learned with the producers, with the consumers, and with the people who would benefit from our experience. We take information that we teach in the classroom, have students apply it, and then we share that information with small town governments, state government, small business owners, homeowners, consumers across the state, across the region, across the world.
The measure of our success is when you have students that can go through a program of study and find success in the next step.
It's really sort of calling. I want to understand how the natural world works so that we can help protect it and preserve it for future generations.
I love my experience at UNH. I love school. I love all my classes and what I'm learning about.
This is great. I love it here, and I'm getting so much out of it. I learned so much there, and more so than I learned at any time in my life.
Lots of the information that I'm learning now is going to give me a leg up when I enter into medical school.
I have a lot of insight, but it's also given me a way to explore. I'm always asking why? And here I'm able to do that.
Nothing more gratifying than leaving the classroom, going to a professional meeting, and looking at the podium in the front and seeing one of your students up there conducting the affairs of a professional society, maybe becoming the captain of industry, and playing a real role in how things are done on the ground.
It's an integral part of the agricultural heritage of this state. We also, I think, are recognizing that heritage is not only part of today, but the future.